Hi guys, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video we're going to draw Elmo, so let's get started. With Elmo, we're going to first start by drawing his eye. So right here I'm going to start by drawing a big circle. And I'm going to come right next to it and draw another one. Right next to it. And connect it. And from there I'm going to come right in the center underneath the eyes, and I'm going to draw another circle for the nose. So you can make your nose a little bit more ovalish if you want. You can make it a circle. It's all up to you. I'm trying to make it a cuter version of Elmo right here, so I'm just making the nose a little bit smaller. So from there I'm going to come in here and draw his eye. So I'm going to come in here and draw a smaller circle. And do the same thing on this side, but right here. Draw another circle. Now go in there and make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to add two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. This is my first Sesame Street drawing. So if you guys love Elmo and you guys want to see more Sesame Street characters, please let me know in the comments below. And shade in the top, same thing on this side. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so we have his eyes and his nose in. Now we're going to come out about right here where his eye is on the edge, and we're going to start to draw his face. So we'll come out here, and I'm just going to draw some zigzags to begin with. So just those zigzags on both sides. So let's go to the other side about right here. Doesn't have to be exact. And then we're just going to bring a curve all the way around for his face. So I'm just going to come about right there, just rounding it off as we go. If you're not too comfortable with these zigzags, you can just go ahead and make it a smooth curve. So I'm just going to come all the way around and connect it. So there. Now to bring in his big smile. So I'm going to come about right here towards the edge right here, and I'm just going to give myself a point. And I'm going to go to the other side. So about the same on this side, just give myself another point. So that's so I know where to draw my curve, the 2 points. So from there I'm just going to come in this area, and I'm going to start to draw some zigzags for the top of his mouth. Same thing on this side. If you're not comfortable with that, once again, just go ahead and draw a smooth curve. So I'm just going to connect this right under his nose with a curve. And then from there, I'm going to come in here, just a little bit, come in, and I'm going to draw a big curve that dips down. So same thing over here. That dips down and connects. So you can make his smile as big as you want. So then I'm going to come in this area right where I started and just cap it off. So then come in here, and I'm just going to shade this all in. There. So if you're not happy with the smile, you can just always tweak it, because it doesn't matter, it's all black. So if you want to make it fuller, you always go back in and do that. Okay, I think this will do. Okay, so we're done with his head. Now let's draw his cute little body. So I'm going to come in the center right here, and once again I'm just going to be drawing a curve that goes all the way back. And once again I'm just going to start with some zigzags. And then I'm just going to round it off. Small little body. So here and there you can add, come all the way around. And I'm not going to complete this curve. I'm going to come in the center, imagining this curve completing, but right in the center here I'll add a little curve, but I'll leave these two sides open for his legs. And so then from there I'm going to draw his legs. So right in the center, come out here and just draw a curve, comes down. So we'll say about, just remember your center is about there, so you don't want to go past that. And I'm going to stop about there. I'm going to curve it out a little bit for his feet. And so I'm going to come back in here, just draw some zigzags once again. And I'm going to bring out his foot. Come out, curve it around, and connect it. And then you can come in here and just draw two curves. And same thing on this side. So once again, just with this drawing, if you're not comfortable with zigzags, just draw a straight, a smooth curve. But give this zigzag a try. And all the way back. And up, once again for his foot, and connect it. And you can come in here again and draw two curves for his toes. So there, we got his legs in. Now to draw his hands. So I'm going to have one that comes up a little bit and one's going to be down. So this one right here, I'm going to come in this area and I'm going to draw a curve out. And same thing here, about right here. I'm just going to maybe add a little zigzag and bring it out. And now I'm going to start to draw his fingers. So there's going to be a thumb, one, and then 3 fingers. 2, 3, and 4, and connect it back. So this one's going to come down this way. So I'm going to start by right here once again. Some zigzags, bring it down, just try and make it about the same length, so about right there I'll stop, and then I'm going to add his thumb and fingers. So once again it's just 4, and one that comes out a little bit like that. So there, that's pretty much it for our little Elmo, except he's not complete because he doesn't have a heart right here to make him a draw. So cute, Elmo. So there, hope you guys found this drawing really easy to do and you love my cute little Elmo. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.